guys, and welcome back to another Blender beginner tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to make a train Blender part 2. If you don't watch first part, you can watch it in my channel, so you can check my channel, okay? So if you subscribe my channel, please, if you don't subscribe my channel, subscribe now, like now, share now, and comment now, okay? So let's go to the video. So after in the first part we make it that this branch is spreading, so today I'm going to show you how to make this also. I am pressing something is like this, okay? So I'm selecting these two, then control E to extrude, then scale something, then extrude here, then scale here, control to scale like this, control E, control right click to scale like this, right click, sorry, control B, yeah, okay, I'm using this, then selecting stretch it over like a small stick, okay, then stretch it over, and I'm using, you can select these two faces, then change it into this, then close it, okay. Whoa, amazing. So you can make this an X-ray mode. We can see that it will happen like this. So go to 2 to press 2 to like this way. This select these two, adjust because something is missing it. So you can grab it in the center part like this. You can make a loop cut here, then you can grab into something else like this as a wall, define it small, little, very little, and small, okay. I'll hold Alt Shift, then select this to select this all, then switch it over like it's a little bit, then you can select like this something like this, okay. And then you can control R to make a loop cut here, or you can make in the loop cut is using for necessary area to tap or build it very highly. It's using like this, so you can like this, so you can select this area also, and a loop cut, okay. I'm gonna look at here, grab it into here, then you can something is switch it over. You can make it awesome three-way model. You can select this, or you can select these all and in a corner, and you can select hold alt, then select this all like this, okay. Then you can set it over like this as a well defined. Then oh, it's okay. We can see the small branches, then select unselect the extra more. We see the tree. Now I'm changing the spreading branches. First is here, select this 2 into 3, then select this 2, then select this, then I'm scaling down it. Oh, something is missing. So scale it here, then I'm scaling it there, grab it here, then I'm going to another tool to make it. You can make it here, then scale down, then here, then here, to something is bigger. Then you can select these 3, press 3, then face select mode, select these 2, and then X view, then select these, then these, okay. You can scale down. Oh, fantastic. So now I'm going to see that this, saying we can see that this is also supporting this area, so you can something is missing. So 2 to press to say select, sorry, I'm selecting, you can select as a wall, hold shift then alt to, sorry, something is missing. So hold shift then alt, then select these two, then you can act view, then something is here as you see, okay. Then I'm using control R to make a loop cut here, then 3 to face mode, then select these two and extruding it something else like this, okay. So I'm using this all, so I'm using to something else 1 2 3 2. Oh, awesome. Now to be doing another extruding in this area like this. You can see something is very bigger than everyone. So selecting this, then you can go into this, then I'm doing a loop cut here. This is your choice. So if you want to like this and a small branch, so if you want this branch, you can go on, okay. So selecting this, so I want this bone also, because when we adding an outline to all, it's in look, it's in very perfect in every look. So I am set it over. Oh, it's a very smaller and a stick, okay. We can see our this branch, okay. Then I'm going to X mode, then I'm selecting over to make this something, then select the face select mode and select this 2, then you can set it over, and sorry, set it over, then you can grab into here, then you can set it over, then you can grab here something else, okay. So I'm grabbing here, then you can switch it over, then grab into here, then here, then here. Then you're gonna locate here, then you're gonna grab it in the center part. Then you can make a small little, very little stick or like that, okay, branch here. So stretch it over, then I'm using in a white, and I'm using 2 to its select mode, and shift all to select these both or this round. Then you can grab it into this file, then control plus R to make a look at here, then 3 to make a look at this 2, select this 2 as well, and then select this, then sorry something else, select this, then I'm grabbing into this, then I'm selecting this, so search it over, then I'm selecting this, then I'm going to find part. Okay, I'm using 3, then select these both of these corners, so corners, it's also face, okay, don't face, then select this and then crop it, or you can scale down. Okay guys, so our middle part and our center part is complete, then it's just little, very little like that, okay. So it's okay, we can see like this. So if you want, so I am skipping the but I'm not made this branch because I'm skipping that branch because it's something is having more time to stretch this also, so I am skipping that. So I'm skipping on a skip forward, I'm skipping that, okay. So let's hear from me. I'm skipping after we made the how to make the leaf in that, okay. So I'm skipping it. Okay, I skipped that. Okay, we can see that I made all of this. I missed this small branch, so I spreading this branch 3, then extruding this 2, then like this, and scale down, then I'm scaling this all. I'm gonna make another shape right that, okay. Then I'm scaling it and stitch it over. Okay, our tree's outline is perfectly completed, okay. So now I'm going to texture somewhat, so it'll be here for me, so I'm using as little bit and something. So proceed to round select and select this area, all of this, okay, and I'm selecting these all, then okay, as then x to sorry as then x to scale is in x-axis, like and a bigger, oh perfect, okay. It's very fantastic. We can see there's he's originally he's a tree. In every look it's perfect. You can see in our old view, so you can larger it or bigger it like that, so I'm enlarging it. So let's be make leaves in these branches. So go to, I'm doing to tab, then you can go to white paint mode, and then you can select this, or which one this white paint is using to select which place you want to having leaves. So I am having leaf in this area, so you can, after you can subtract it with in this area to subtract, so I'm raw, okay, something, okay, perfect, okay. We can use something else, like okay, not at all in all areas something will be definitely is, because we can use the branches, it's perfect. So when we subtract, we can subtract which area we would not want, so I'm subtracting this whole area as a well defined, okay. Okay, then we can go to object mode, then I am shift A, then add an image as plane. Okay, then I am importing in a plane, or I am adding in a some, so you in the description below you can download that small link, small letter, so you can download that in this link. So I'm doing it all. So if you want to in anytime, we can use it as a wall. So I am in anyone somewhere here, I will be put it in somewhere here, font, okay, 1 second. Texture, yes, like this. So I'm the tree branch to png, we can see. So what we do, material tab, we can set like this, okay, well, okay. So it's not enough, so sorry, this is not, I am another, so sorry, this is not, please download that, I am in that, sorry. So I'm the tree branch too, so, that's my mistake. So I'm download this tree branch, this is enough, this is the original, so this is in R, then 90 degree like this, need something else. So I'm doing, oh sorry, okay, then I'm adding R, then 90 degree is the axis like this, x-axis like this, and y-axis like this, okay, it's enough. Then you can go to tab to edit mode, then you can go to shift plus B, then zoom it very wide, then going to the upper, then shift middle mouse to place this. Okay, then go to select this anyone, then you can control K to select as a knife, so you can select it like this, and then covering this small each plant like this. Okay, I'm setting this all as like this base. I'm going to make it not only as a perfect, you can make it aside, you can make it a wall, not only but to connect that. Okay, so I'm doing like this, so like these, then these, then this tab, then this tab, then this, select this, select these all corners which have not appended to this, then enter to see it, and select this both of this and then X to face a delete, then you can see that to tab to edit mode, then go to first or 1 2 3, it's the main, select so on, then you can put it over, grab it into something else higher, something else lower, something else higher like this, and something else lower, something else higher like that. You can make it as a wall. So now we can see as a small leaf. Yes, so now we can go to the select the tree, then go to particle edit, then select the iron particle, then to hair. Oh, this is amazing. So change the hair number into 10 as an will define. If any lag, you can select this. Okay, auto render, then path to an object, then I'm thinking that object is tree branch. Then we can see in our set, we can see something else like this. So after we can do it, so object rotation, and then I'm using the advanced, then rotation. After it, we can change it, so change the vertex group like this, and the density to group. We can see the will be adding like that, so change the 10 into 300 or 400, it's enough. Then you can change that in where you are in the texture paint, you can see like this, and change that it to like this 10, you can change into 24. Oh, it's an interpolated mode. We can see that well defined. Oh, it's fantastic. So I'm changing this into an 40. We can see that 40 is a length. Okay, if you have still some lag, it's enough, so it's something problem. Okay, I'm using this, select this all, then okay, then you can select the rotation, then I'm going to randomize it. The randomize is helping to randomize this into various directions, so I am going to velocity into global z axis like this, and you can rotate it to the randomize like this. Then change the face, also have something into an like it's your choice, not only if don't follow me, it's your choice. So okay, now go to and we do, oh fantastic, wow. Then again select and select these, then